Morning everyone, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and I'm really excited to share with you all today the Cardiff vlog. We have quite a lot planned, don't you, Mum?
We do have quite a lot planned for today.
And we thought we'd take you all along with us for our day in Cardiff, along with a talk this evening. First of all, Premier breakfast.
I know you're looking forward to that.
Definitely, we love Premier breakfast, don't we, Mum?
We do love a Premier in breakfast, especially now with all the vegan options they have, aren't we, Ian?
Yeah.
Shall we go then?
Yes, please, come on then. We'll take you with us too.
I think Sarah's ready as well.
Definitely.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Just ordered our breakfast, really looking forward to it coming now, and got my morning coffee too. She is. Vegan bacon, vegan sausage, hash browns, tomato, beans in a pot. And you're gonna go get something now, do you, Mum?
I'm going to go and get
Ooh, lovely. Breakfast has arrived.
it. Looks amazing.
There's a garden gourmet sausages. They're so good, aren't they, Mum?
They are really good.
And this is the bacon is the best too.
Enjoy.
Just enjoyed our breakfast and we're about to go out now. Sarah's in for a really big surprise, isn't she, Mum?
She is in for a really big surprise of who we're going to go and meet now.
Yes, oh, thank you.
I think she's enjoying having a little play before we go out.
Definitely,
We've got time, haven't we?
definitely we have.
We've got a few minutes before we need to leave.
We do.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all. Find the northern lights, see the stars in the open.
Got my strawberries and cream matcha. My favourite. So good. I really did enjoy my matcha so much. It was so lovely for Mum and Dad to try something different, and for Emily to enjoy her first time at Bird and Blend as well. Hi, it's Angharads from the past, letting you all know we're now going to Alex Gooch.
I think it's a good idea to record it now because it's not going to be so easy to record it on the way. Is it?
No.
Really looking forward to this.
Me too. I think so as well.
I think she is.
She says it smells of red, so that's it.
Sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Here is the vegan chicken and bacon sandwich. Love the smell.
Smells amazing. Wow.
I must have.
That is so good. Flavours. It's a shame it's the last one.
It is a shame it's the last one. Oh, the flavours are absolutely incredible. Especially with the kick from mustard right at the end.
Yeah, that's it. But even the last one, we managed to get lots of other things to try as well, haven't we?
Here is the pizza. Smells amazing.
It really does. Wow.
Lovely.
So good. So tasty. The sun-dried tomato is amazing.
Everything is absolutely incredible. I love all of the wonderful flavours. I do agree, the sun-dried tomato is so delicious.
The herbs on it are amazing. And the pesto.
And the base too.
It's an amazing base.
Now time to try the olive focaccia bread. Oh, so spongy, man.
That is amazing. Wow.
So delicious. Coffee Zoe too.
I was just going to say, you enjoying your coffee? Wait a minute. All you're even doing today is drinking tea. And
Coffee and matcha, yeah, it's a good day.
It's been a great day, hasn't it?
Here is a sun-dried tomato and leek bread. Smells amazing.
Really does.
You ready to try it with me?
I am.
I definitely love the leek so much. It goes so well with the focaccia bread, doesn't it, ma'am?
What do you think? Absolutely amazing. Don't think I could choose a favourite.
Out of everything, no way. But it's amazing to have a fully vegan arts and baker here in Cardiff.
It is.
And there are some other stuff around too in Cardiff, in the Cardiff area.
Did you enjoy all that?
Absolutely incredible, man.
Definitely something to come back to again.
Yeah. This is bringing back so many memories. We remember recording an episode of Melody here. It's so lovely to be passing the Principality Stadium. I really enjoyed my mum describing Cardiff Castle to me. We're now on our way to meet Hilary and Portia for Sarah to have a lovely run with Portia.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. And we're new people, let's be new people. There's summer.
Hi, my name's Angharads, and and my guide dog's name is Sarah. I feel so honoured to be here tonight talking to you all about our journey. Nothing was left to stop me. I did have a bit of vision. I could use my vision with magnifiers, being able to read, also being able to see things close up. Unfortunately, I did lose this vision 7 years ago. My mum, 7 years ago, looked into us going to Sicily, to Palermo, because of the Vision Project with UCAN. It was amazing with people from South Wales going there, and I was the only child from North Wales. Everyone was flying from Cardiff, but I can't fly with my rare coma. So I thought I was going to miss this opportunity, but then that's when my mum came to the rescue and made us go by finding we could go there by train. It took 36 hours. We made it in one piece. We actually had to go on a sleeper train as well. It wasn't planned because we had a lot of delays. It wasn't planned, but we made it fun. It was so funny as well. My mum, we took 2 suitcases. One of them was a stocking suitcase, so the top was filled with snacks. And then my dad was like, no, you won't need all that. And we actually did. We had the last laugh because we needed it on the sleeper train. Going to Palermo was incredible. We went with people from UCAN, and also we met people from Italy, Luxembourg, Bulgaria. There were so many people with these wonderful drama workshops that we were held there for a week. We are still in contact with some people that we made friends with there now. It is a shame because one of my best friends I made there, we couldn't keep in contact with. But then everything else was absolutely incredible. My mum surprised me again on the way home. We went to Rome and then we went to Disneyland in Paris. I got the phone call from Emily saying about my potential match with Sarah. I was so excited for the day to meet Sarah for the first time, to then know that we'd be going on the next stage, which was a sleepover, and then the training course, then the qualification walk. I was so nervous for the qualification walk, but it made me so happy when we got back to hear that Sarah and I had qualified together. For my future with Sarah by my side now is absolutely incredible. It's already made such an incredible difference. I really can't thank guide dogs enough for everything they do for everyone, changing so many people's lives in so many different ways, with all of the help from the fundraisers, donators, sponsors, puppy raisers, volunteers and fosterers, and everyone who works for guide dogs. From the bottom of my heart and my family's hearts, we can never thank guide dogs enough for improving my life for living, being visually sight impaired, wretched blind. Thank you. It's so lovely that they had vegan cupcakes too.
Angharad, that was an amazing speech.
Thank you, Mum.
Oh, you did so well. You added quite a lot of humour to it as well, didn't you?
Yeah, why not?
Well, that's it. Everybody loved it. And so many people came up to you afterwards, didn't they, Angharad?
It was so lovely.
To say, well done. And hopefully you'll get to do some more things as well.
That'd be incredible and take all along as well with us.
I think that'd be amazing.
Is it donut time, Mum, now?
It is. Here you go.
Is this the jam-filled one?
It's the jam-filled one.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
That's such a delicious donut. And so lovely to keep it to now as well, after all the nerves gone.
That's it. I was going to say, there was no point in having it before going,
No.
because you were very nervous.
Mm-hmm.
There was no need, was there?
No. The dough is so good too. It all tastes absolutely incredible. I love the fruitiness from the jam too. Sarah's a bit tired, isn't she, Mum?
Sarah is very tired now.
It was so lovely as well for Emily to be there too tonight, and Amy.
Oh, it was so good to see Emily and Amy, wasn't it?
And so lovely to meet Emily earlier too.
Oh, we had a lovely time in Bird and Blend earlier with Emily.
We did. It was absolutely amazing.
And then it was really nice to spend time this evening with Emily and Amy.
Here's the cream-filled one.
So good.
Smells absolutely incredible. Do you want some?
It'd be so good to share, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Your face is enjoying it. But after everything today, you deserve this as well.
That's absolutely incredible. I love it so much. There's so many wonderful flavours, and the cream is so light and fluffy too.
Great. So is it worth coming back to Cardiff so we can go back?
Absolutely.
Definitely when we come back to Cardiff, we'll go there again, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
Should we enjoy it now?
Yes, please. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know if you enjoyed coming along to Cardiff with us.
I think that's a great question. It's been lovely to have everybody join us while we've been in Cardiff.
It's been absolutely lovely, and we really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye for a very tired Sarah too.